Hey YouTube, I'm back with another vid, and today I'm not at my house. I'm actually somewhere else. Right now it's like 8:40 in the morning, and then so yeah, I'm pretty far away from my house, about like 10 miles away maybe. And you guys want to see where I am? This is part of it. I'm grass, and then there's the ocean. Sun all the way over there. Reflection. Everything else. And today I'm actually gonna go do a bike ride, and I'm gonna have to somehow find a way to actually record and being on the bike. Let's go.
¿Tomaste un video?
No, lo quiero hacer por todo el camino.
¿Todo el camino?
Sí. Ya al menos desde aquí para allá, al parque, de aquí para el parque.
Primero le damos para arriba, ¿no?
¿Eh?
Primero le damos para allá.
¿Para allá?
Y luego ya nos regresamos despacito. Dale.
I guess.
Para agarrar todo el camino.
So guys, naturally we're supposed to be going from here to over there, but thing is we're not at the far point. Oh, hold on. We're gonna be going that way and turning back. Oh yeah, and then this is my bike right here. Trek mountain bike, so you guys can tell. Oh yeah. ¿Dónde vas? Just so you guys know, my parents are actually Hispanic, so yeah. Mande? Let's go. So guys, all I'm gonna do is just be on one hand and recording with the other. We're about to come up a statue that's actually kind of a landmark, pretty much. I think people actually go there to take photos. It's a statue of a mermaid and a dolphin, pretty much. It's right there, if you guys can see it. From here, it looks like a swirl, that's all. But once I get close to it, you guys will see. Right here. 3. I'm good. Yeah. My dad though. Well, my dad's missing. All the way at the back. And I fell. Just sad. So much stickers on me now. Here it is. Hold on, let me just get a good view. Right there. Here we go. Right here, this is the dolphin's tail. The mermaid is up there. Dolphin's head. These right here are supposed to be lights, but these only turn on whenever it's nighttime. So let's go. Okay, so let's go more this way. And just so you guys know, so I don't fall, I'm actually gonna put my phone in my pocket so I don't fall, and I'll take it right back, and I'll take it back out whenever I'm on my bike again. That sounds good. Just so you guys know, these houses are actually very big. Look at this church. Another bicycle man over there. My dad is somewhere back there. I don't know where. What's the next car? Okay, so now I'm gonna turn around right here. Careful. The ocean, you guys like it? Green. Bird over there, by the way. Hold on. Okay. Little bump. Little resting area. The dad's over there just waiting for me. Hospital all the way over there. Like pretty much a whole city. There's a big bridge over there. Pa! Vámonos! A big bridge over there. I don't think you guys can see it. You guys can see part of it. There's actually a famous battleship over there. It's got the USS Lexington. And then also a bit more, let me see if I can spot it. No, I can't see it from here. But there's also an aquarium over there. So there's actually two very good spots here. More big houses. Statue where it fell. Just so you guys know, I'm like going so fast. Even though look, I'm not even pedaling. Because I'm going fast. The reason I'm going fast is because I was going downhill. Just fixing my glasses. Another resting area right here. If you guys want to see what this place actually looks like, I'll let you guys see. But hold on. Okay. We actually have a few good places here. The place where I am is actually called a Cole Park. Right here. There's a bridge. There's a map of what everything would look like all the way down there. Then here's a key. Winsport Launch is like right here, so it'd be like right there. A skate park. It's up there. It's a very good place. I've been there before. And then the Emerson Amphitheater, number 3, which is right there. They usually show movies there. My dad's about to fall off the freaking edge. Not really. 4, Kiss Place. Yeah, I sometimes go there, not a lot. 5, The Gardens. I've never really been there. Cole Park Pier, that thing's closed. Picnic area. Yeah, I don't really go there. And then downtown, which is all the way over there. Hold on. Downtown. All of that. All that is downtown. So much. Okay, let's get back on. Just so you guys know, there's this steep slope that I have to put the phone away. So but it's not yet. A little bit more. Yeah. Whenever I get to the slope, I'll actually show you. I'm gonna put my phone away in my pocket. I have a flipping water bag right here, so I don't get thirsty. Okay, here it is. Slope. The grass is guys, I'm gonna put my phone away for like 5 seconds. Not really. Okay. Okay. See you guys in a bit. Can't put it in. See you guys in a bit. I mean, I'll be talking a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is actually fun. Going down this is fun, but it's also a little dangerous. Yay! Yay! Right now, I feel like I'm going like a few, like more than 20 miles an hour. Yay! Beep beep. Okay, guys, taking my phone back out. There we go. Closer to the ocean now. So one time, like, my dad actually got my ball like stuck in there. It was like pretty late, like at 7 or 8. We went to the park for a little bit. Then we came back. There was like fishermen there before, so they actually got our ball. Look at this bird. Another resting area. And did you guys know the scooters are actually new? They've been there for like a year already, pretty much. Those are electric scooters, but you have to pay to use them. You need apps if you want to activate them. I know. Oh, and then I just noticed, after all the times I've actually been here, after like far away from the blur over on the horizon, there's actually like an oil factory, an oil plant. Yeah, all the way over there. I'm pretty sure you guys can't see it, but there's a little oil plant over there. From my view, it actually looks very little, but it's actually, but they're like almost a mile tall. And as you can see, this is actually closed because it's under construction. The last time I came, it was just all blocked off. Downtown, all the way over there. The park. No one's even there. There's actually restrooms over there. Awesome. My dad just tried to do a ramp. Brady, get away. My dad just tried to ramp and he almost fell. Another one of those birds. How'd it get from there to here? No, I'm just kidding. So it's just another one. What's up, bird? You guys know I'll actually be recording the whole time from here. You're good, I'm still recording. Restrooms. Sí, aquí se mira.
¿Sí?
Sí.
¿Cuánto llevas tomando ahora?
13 minutos.
El video es muy largo.
Sí. My dad actually has a GoPro on him, so his hand doesn't hurt. Mine does because I'm holding up that phone too much. Yay, my shadow. I don't know if this is like a hotel or apartment, so I'm not sure. But they're actually very close to the water, so I'm pretty sure you would have to pay a lot to be on this side. They're all boat station. I don't know what this is. Oh shoot. Hey pa, ¿es posible que tú me agarres el teléfono por unos minutos?
Sí, claro que sí.
Es que ya me está doliendo mi mano.
Ah,
Then, so guys, my dad's gonna hold the phone.
cambios. Ponle cambios. No, así no. Sentado. Así. Hey. What? Oh.
Para. Thank you. Listo. Hey guys, I'm back on the phone. Get away. Yay. Alright, you guys, we're halfway done with the lap. We're almost there. I've been recording for like almost 18 minutes. Huh? Yeah? Okay. Hey guys, I'm just gonna go ahead. My dad's gonna stay behind to take a photo, I guess. Now I'm gonna be recording all of this from the top. And this again, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Ooh, it's never closed. GG. And of course, that's about crash like myself. Did you guys know yesterday? I actually went to a friend's house to actually go to a barbecue. My friends actually had a barbecue. Oh, hold up, a Jeep is coming. Okay, the Jeep let me pass. Ew. Sorry for the shaky camera. There's a few bumps here. Fix my glasses. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me or not, but the thing is, there's actually a bit of wind here. All these cars passing by. What am I doing? I'm just changing my my gears. There we go. We're almost there, guys. Be gone, bird. Ooh, look at that house. Did you guys know back there, there's actually a house that's actually still under construction since like last year or maybe 2 years ago, but I'm pretty sure last year. It's sorry, it's a pretty long house. Hey guys, I'm gonna take a break. Gonna get some water. My dad's on his way. Hold on. Oh, jeez, I need water. Little water tube. Okay, I'm good. Let's go again. Yeah. My foot still hurts a little bit, but hey, at least I can still walk and run. pigeon. Bye.
Los videos tienen que ser cortitos.
¿Por qué?
De largo, ¿quién va a querer sentarse 30 minutos a estar viendo el mismo video?
O sea, al menos ven algo. Al menos ven parte del cuerpo. Al menos ven cómo, qué bueno es cuerpos de acá. Sí. Okay, guys, we're almost there. Where those cars at, that's where we're gonna stop. We might do another lap, I'm not sure. But for the other lap, I'm gonna stop the video. So once I get over there to my car, I'm gonna stop the video. Okay guys, we're here. Ugh. Ugh. Well guys, this is the end. This is the end of the bike ride and tour of Corpus, where I live. Another view. Downtown, bridge, the ocean, the factory that's all the way over there. Sun, gleam, some bikes over there, trash can. More big houses. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Goodbye.